If you try to run Facebook ad without setting up your ad account properly in your business manager, Facebook is going to shut you down or even restrict your account before you start spending any money. And I have seen this happen to dozens of people who skip this one setup step. In the next 8 to 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your ad account the right way so that Facebook do not flag you, and how you can start using it to run adverts almost immediately. One thing you need to know is that the moment you have your Facebook profile, you can create your business manager inside that profile. What you're going to learn in this video is how you can create your ad account inside the business manager. So you come to all tools and you click on business settings. So when you go to all tools, you'll find business settings and you click on it right here and you give it time to load. Listen, Facebook advert is very tricky and you need to follow it up the right way. So we're going to use this Moses store. These are business profile. We're going to use this Moses store. Let me click on it, and immediately it's going to take me to the platform, the interface where I can create the ad account. I always advise Nigerians, if you stay in Nigeria, please use your Naira ad account. If you stay in other country, please use your local currency for your ad account. If you use different currency, you are going to struggle to run ad because you will always be converting exchange rates, and this thing fluctuates. Right now we are here and you can see partners, you can see systems, you can see pages, ad accounts, business assets. What we are going to do is to create ad account. So we'll click on add account. Right now you can see no ad account added. Add account to the business portfolio so you can manage all your business assets in one place. We're going to click on add. If you click on add, there are two scenarios. Do you want to create a new ad account? Do you want to add an existing ad account, or do you want to request access to an ad account? For the purpose of this video, we want to create a new ad account. I'm going to hit on create new ad account, and this is where it's telling me to put my ad account name. Of course, you can use whatever you deem fit. For this, I'm going to use Paul Business. Just for instance, you can use anything you like, but I want you to pay attention in this time zone. Before you create your ad account, you have to know the time zone in your country. For me, I stay in Nigeria, so Africa Lagos is what I'm going to go for. It depends on where you are, but make sure you choose a time zone that is in your country. If you make mistake in this first setup, you can't undo it, you can't edit it, so you have to be very careful. Africa Lagos, and this currency is important. I have seen people, they are living in a country and they are using another country's currency to run ads simply because they made a mistake when they created that ad account. Thereby, whenever they want to make payments, they are using an external card, they are loading the card, converting it to another currency before they now make payments. All of these are stress, and sometimes because the amount fluctuates, you tend to start paying higher than an average advertiser in your country. If you are using Naira, for instance, Naira does not really fluctuate like dollar do. So if Naira is 100 Naira, you know that it's 100 Naira you're paying. But if dollar goes up and you are spending in dollar, you have to now load more money to convert it to dollar before you now pay. I always advise use your local currency to create your ad account. That said, I'm going to now go here and find Naira. There are a lot of one Kenyan shilling, Japanese, Korean, but I'm going to use only the one for my country, which is Nigerian Naira. When I do that, I'll click on next, and it's going to ask you, these are the ad account will be used for my business or another business or client. I like to go for my business, and I click on next, and it's going to tell you, I do you want to agree to their terms and condition. Of course, once you click on I agree, you are going to now see create ad account, and voila, your ad account is going to be created. Now, question is, why do you need this method? The thing is, if you don't create your business ad account, you're only going to be left with your personal ad account, which is just one ad account. What that means is that anything happens to that ad account, it is banned, and it is disabled and you can't use it again. But if you create your ad account inside your business manager, most people do not know it. You are now going to have this ad account plus your personal ad account. That gives you two different ad accounts you can use to advertise your business. So when Facebook banned this one, Paul for Business, that I just created, I still have my personal ad account that I have created. Let me show you. I still have my personal ad account I can fall back to. See this, if you go here, Moses Store is my business portfolio. But if you come down, you are going to see your account. Moses Ishaku is an ad account. This one is a business manager that I've just created an ad account inside. Now, I know if this is confusing, just understand that the safest thing to do is to create ad account inside your business manager so that you can have an extra account you can use instead of only relying on your personal ad account. Just follow this tutorial, watch it again, go and do yours immediately. And if you don't know how to create a business profile inside your ad account, please check the description. I'm going to link a video that I've done that will show you how to do that in the description. If you watch this video and you gain value, please like and subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any new video that I bring out.